Pentecostal Network Penet Program Clear to Te Lalpa Iswa Mingin Chibai Kabu Katseu Tunkar Chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar Clear in Lawngai Thang U North East India UPC Kohhran Rorel na sang Executive Board Budget Session ni o chu January ni somthum le ni somthum pakhat chungkhan General Headquarters Office Committee Room Mall Pui Salem Veng Aizola nei ani Executive Board Budget Session na hian kumsang ni sompakwa atana North East India UPC Kohhran Budget Rahman na an clear hawa soma pakhata cheng noi sang ni zaruk somnga pakwa sing thum sang sari jangni somriat pariat missions rawngbawlna atan cheng noi zanga somthum paruk singriat sang sari zanga somni Ladies Auxiliary Department atan cheng noi somkwa pakhat sing ni sanga za somnga panga Pentecostal Youth Department atan cheng noi somnga pathum sing ruk sangli zakwa somnga panga Sunday School Polin cheng noi somruk pasari singriat sangriat te baka committee peng sang budget nen avain cheng noi sangthum zasari som singa sangkwa zali somli pariat anpom ani Budget baka hian India marchak pumhwa pa pastoral meet nei ni se ti te Tripura District Darchoibiak in Sakchan Puinan cheng noi thumle Chandel District Novakombiak in Sakchan Puinan cheng noi ni pek ni se anti a Bialchung in Enkolna dan siam rem ngai te an clear hotel bok Board masa in North East India UPC map siam tura arwahman chu lei thei tura peifel ni in district sang hne na sem chwa ngal ani a Mizoram chung big map cheng sang khan zanga North East India map cheng sang khan jasari in district office sang le general headquarters office a lei thei ngal ani Executive Board Budget Session hi General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo chuan akai shwaya Mizoram Pon Nagaland Meghalaya Manipur Assam le Tripura atanga Executive Board member te po anon kalkim ani February ninga thole ni atanga ni riat zirtom ni thlengkhan General Headquarters Office Mall Pui Salem Veng Aizola General Kohhran Pui Hnuaia Kohhran Sum Annual Audit ani General Kohhran Sum Pui baka General Administration Hnuaia Department le Committee peng sang te sum audit ani a auditors te hi Reverend C Ramwana Reverend Biak Sang Zwala Reverend C Ring Twangale Reverend Joseph L Thauthang te anni Shwai to the program General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo le General Secretary Reverend Arlel Rinsang ate chuan Tripura a rawngbawlna poimo thokin February ni sari atangani ko chung khan hun an mang General Superintendent hian Bairabi Bial Kohhran Pui Conference a speaker a tangin rawngbawlna aneyang General Treasurer Reverend Zohming Thanzama chuan February ni riat atangani som chunga Kolasi Venglai Bialten Bial Conference anneya speaker a tangin rawngbawlna anei General Missions Director Reverend Arlel Hoy chuan North Bengal Sikkim Missions Field 10 Field Conference anneya speaker a tangin hun ahman puya General Missions Secretary Reverend V.L. Tuang asinate po in Assam Mission Field Conference ahman pui bok General Missions Treasurer Evangelist P.C. Laroki Machuan Book Pui Bial North Mizoram District 10 Bial Conference anneya speaker a tangin rawngbawlna anei bok General Sunday School Director Reverend R. Lai Ching Puya chuan February ni riat atangani som chunga kholian bialin chi apui hmuna Bial Conference annei na a speaker a tangin rawngbawlna anei District sang rawngbawlna chanchin thar ngai thak chunjomila February ni riat zirtom ni atang khan lunglei district Bial somni zinga Bial rukte chuan Bial Conference an manga district shwai tu ten hetiangin an manpui Cherhlun Bial te hian Cherhlun lokala conference an manga district superintendent Reverend R Laro sang chuan a manpui Bungmun Bial te hian Tleu lokala conference mangin district secretary Reverend C Vanal ena chuan a manpuya district treasurer Reverend C Larin tuanga chuan Sekhum lokala nei Chief Phir Bial Conference aman puibok Luangmual Bial te hian Chang Temhuna conference an manga district superintendent represent in Puk Pui Bial to Pastor Reverend PC Ngaklian chuan Ahman Pui Headquarters Bial to chuan farm venga Bial conference mangin district superintendent represent in Ratsiveng Bial to Pastor Reverend Sila Shat Pui chuan Ahman Pui bok District Missions Director Reverend R. Vanel Enga chuan Lungsen Bial Conference Lungsen South Biak in ane meki Ahman Pui bok ani February ni khata changa ni thum chung khan lunglei district Puk Pui Bial Ra Siveng Bial le South Vanlai Phai Bial de chuan Bial Conference hlim takin an mang Puk Pui Bial ten an Bial Conference voisom thum pali na chu zotlang biak ina an manga District Secretary Reverend C Vanel Ena chuan Ahman Pui February ni khat zir top ni khan Kohhran Pui le Sunday School Department ten ro relin February ni ni inrin ni khan LED le Missions Department te po in ro rel na an nei bok an ro rel lang sarjinga Kohhran Pui chuan Bial PCD in PCD Paul Sunday man andil na an phal saka kumtin mei pathian ni voi thum na chu PCD Paul Sunday tan man an phal sak bok Tin district Atlantur thupoi mo tak anrela na kumsang ni somni Bial conference chu zo noi lokala anneyang Bial Sunday School Department chuan district Atlantur thupoi mo tak an ngai to a section fanatan cheng sanga an pombok Bial LED te chuan machinery pahni chomni se anti a manigong pastor quarters a steel almirah da ni se ASC home sponsor le ni se CEC School Tan Thil Pek le Bible Char Chuak Loman Pek le ni se ti te anrel ani Ratsiveng Bial Conference voisom thumpali na chu van ne lokala nei ani a District Treasurer Reverend Sila Rin Tuang le former General Superintendent Reverend K Dar Sailavate chuan an manpuya February ni inrin ni khan ro rel na nei ani a Bial Kohhran Pui chuan rongbol tu le Department OB Borel te inral na ti danglam ni se Poisa fai baka thuziak lan tel to ni se anti baka District Atlantur thupoi mo tak anrela na kumsang ni somni conference na munatan ra siveng local ni se anti bok Bial PYD te chuan kumin chungin meet kam crusade nei ni se anti a District Atlantur thupoi mo tak an ngai to bok tin na kumsang ni somni hi Bial PYD conference ashanga an nei kum ani awangin venglun lokala nei ni se anti bok South Vanlai Phai Bial Conference voili na chu District Superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga Baka Pangzol Bial to Pastor Arla Ramhunaten an manpuya kumin mei tha pension na chuak tur District Superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga tha na hun chu February ni thum pathian ni zan khan an mangal bok February ni inrin ni khan ro rel na nei ani a ro rel lang sarjinga Pastor quarter rong noi thatte Bial hwa pa na thial veng lai rong bola fe chwate Seminar neite atela na kumsang ni somni Bial conference na munatan darzo local ni se antibok February ni nga thot le ni khan lunglei district literature board to district superintendent chambara chairman Reverend Ralkap kunga khyangte kai shwaina in nei ani a heta hian le khabu sang ti raldan tur ngai to ani a district UPC officer le khabu zorna tur le shal chhuana tur mun siam dil ni se anti a kumin sang ni som pakwale na kum sang ni som ni PCD zirlai bu chu sha zo ani to awangin reprint le ni se thati ani a kumin chungin arem chandan angin le khabu publish tura malak le ni se antibok February ni riat zirtop ni khan cherhlun local UPC biak inchu lunglei district superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga chuan pathian hne na hlanin ahong Biak in hon income program hi Bial to Pastor Jerry Lalman o machuan akai shwaya Secretary Lalian za machuan biak in sakdan report pe in Lalrin moya chung thu chuan zain rongbawlna anei bok he biak in hi adung fit somni pasari awang fit somruka sakani a tlailama biak in tharlom na roi kil ho ani bok Aizol East District chunga Bial sang te chuan February ni riat zirtop zana tangkhan Bial income pui arwalin an mangmeka income pui chanzan khan local sang te hne na tungin report ngai thakani a inrin ni leng khan Bial chung in opnale district alutur ngai to in rorel na hun nei ni in inrin ni zana tungin revival income ma hun man ngal ani Bial khompuya hian speaker shanpa le thupui nei an omlain Bial chen khata chuan speaker shanpa nei lovin Bial shwai tu ten thu soi rongbawlna an nei thunga Bial to pastor speaker amang anombok ani pathiani chunu in khoma hian lalpa zanria sacrament kil hona nei ani anga bial chunga kaushan member bora su na hun man ani bokang Aizawl East District chunga hian bial somthum omekin bial inkhom pui hi district shwai tu ten hun shangshanga hetiang hian an man pui District Superintendent Reverend Rosanga Kolni chuan chingchi biala man puin speakera atanganga District Secretary Reverend Biak Sang Zwala chuan rabung biala man puin District Treasurer Reverend Vanel Felaram Tiam chuan Zemabok biala man puya Reverend Arlian Zama Missions Director chuan Bethlehem bial man pui bok ani Kumin sang ni sompakwa hi Aizawl East District kum somni pangana Silver Jubilee ani awangin kumdang anglavin May niriata tangani sompani chunghian District Conference mangturin inbuat saina chaktaka kalpui mek zel ani a romhanna angchuan May niriat nilai nia District Office Building a Jubilee lomna ro pui taka nei tum ani a May ni kwani zana tangin Bethlehem biak ina inkhom pui voi somni pangana mangturin romhanna siamek ani Aizawl East District chunga Department changchang PYD LED Missions Sunday School le kaushan puisung te chu February ninga thole ni atangkhan audit nei mek ni in karle hian zo mantura be se ani auditor tan hian Pastor H Lalro puya Pastor B Lal Engzawa Pastor Lal mangai oma parte baka Upa Joseph Lal Shwai tuanga temman anni a bial inkhom pui zir top zana tanga man ani tan awangin audit hi karle a chunjom le ani don ani February ninga thole ni khan District Superintendent Room District LED Executive Meeting poimo tak nei ani Hehun hi unanu eflal ompui Bible Women President chuan kai shwain thu poimo tak ngai to ani a anthurel poimo zwalte General LED Conference North Mizoram District Collective Diak Kon Bialten Kumina Anthentura Upper Republic LED Bazar Bial LED Bongkon Bial LED Serchip bial LED Thingsul khya bial LED te chu zai theitura be se ni se anjai theidon le don lo April sang ni som bokoral mai in District shwai tu te hna in shati ni se anti ani Tripura District Bafaka Section Pastor Quarters Sakna Atan Chengsing Thumpek Turati ani Kumsang ni som pakwa bial LED conference hetiang hian manpui ni se anti President Unanu Eflal Ompui Bible Women Bongkon Bial Vice President Unanu Zai Ompar Moi Bible Women Chingchip Bial Secretary Unanu Roding Liani Bible Women Trumpui Bial Assistant Secretary Unanu R Laram Siami Kolkul Bial Treasurer Unanu Laram Liani Sailau Molpui Bial Financial Secretary Unanu H Lalian Zavi East Lungdar Bial Aizawl East District 10 kumin sangni sompokwa akum somni panga Silver Jubilee athentur sharingnan District Committee Room le Office in Biakpo nan intercom da ni seti ani a May ni som sangni sompokwa LED day hi kum ina chuan District Kaushanpui inkhom pui lai ani awangin May ninga sangni sompokwa a biale local 10 day ip la khomvek ni se anti baka Rorel omsa angin ni chanve hlo thun turangen na siam ni se anti a LED conference agenda nei turten April ni som pangma in thelu vek ni se anti bok February ni inrin ni khan Trump wi bial Falkland East biak in thar honna le kaushan puya hlan kaina Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent chuan aneya biak in thar honna hun toy biak in pona mani in Reverend KVL mangai kima Trump wi bial to pastor chuan akai shwaya Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent chuan UPC North East India biak in pakhat ni turin ahong ani biak in honna nei zo a biak in chunga program panchun jamani a heta hian Trump wi bial PYD zai pol baka unau nu zo mon thangi te hne na tringin fakhla ngai thak ani baka upa wan sang zelan hne na tringin report toy ngai thak ani Reverend Rosanga Kolni District Superintendent hian Falkland East hi kaushan puya hlan kaina nei ngalin kaushan shwai tu te nem nge na anei ngal bok pathian thu cha soin pathian du zonga tlom taka rongbol turin le ri ru thar ne na rongbol turin kaushan mi te acha ani he huna hian biak in tharlom na baka upa van sang zela ti chung kwa in pathian choi moina atana ran an pek mangin kaushan hoten lim takin ti salam roi an kil hawa inri ni zana tanga pathian ni zan thlengkhan revival in khom hun man chunjom ni in speaker Reverend Rosang Kolni district superintendent hi an manghal ani Fogland East kaushan try tu te chairman upa jela ramzawa secretary upa van sang zela treasurer Reverend H.A. Moete ani February ni hi le ni thum pangkhan champhai bial headquarters kaushan aloi upa si biak thanza ba chu kwa chuan tharau lam tui khwa nein pathian ompuina hnuaya kaushan hoten him takin hun an mang he hun a hian Reverend V.L. Nemtuanga bial to pastor evangelist zonan sang ba ka upa Dr. Charles Roman so matin he na tringin thu cha ngai thak thin ani he hun man chung February ni thum pathian ni khan chung ko hi members so pani te chu kaushan a singlu ani February ni sompali atangani sompasari chunga champhai Bethel Field chura hmuna Aizol East District PYD in Khompui voisom ni pangana Silver Jubilee an thlenturatan imbwa saina pe ifel thokhat anita he in Khompui hi pandal adung fit za somthum le awang fit somria daliana saka mantur ani in Khompui hlanna Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary chuan anei anga Jubilee Maidet na District PYD Secretary chuan anei bokang February ni sompanga zirtop jana District PYD Subcommittee peng sang ten loman semna nein inri ni jana District PYD in anei vele anga shwai tu choi moina hun man ani bokang pathiani choma a Reverend Vanel Filaram Tiam District Treasurer kai shwain member bora suna nei ani ang thupuya pathian beiseiro sam number somli pani changa thu man turni in thupui hi then som lovin misangshang district PYD shwaina nalo thokto tele thokmek te hena tringin hetiang hian ngai thak ani ang February ni sompali ni nga zan evangelist Sila nun sangale evangelist VL nga ka chongthu February ni sompanga zirtop zan evangelist Laramza vale evangelist Sila chwanga February ni somparuk inri ni zan pastor H Lalraupuyale upa Arlan mangai zwala February ni sompasari pathian ni choma Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent February ni sompasari pathian ni chonu evangelist Arvan Chunga February ni sompasari pathian ni zan Reverend Arlal Kankima District PYD President pathian thu cha soitur ni nga zana tanga inri ni zan thleng hi minute somni chungve khunpek anni Tarlan to chin angin kumin Aizol East District PYD in Khompui voisom ni pangana Silver Jubilee a hian February ni som panga zirtop ni a rorel in khom nei ani anga kumdanga ti ngai lo angin rorel velo tan wantlang in khom pandala nei tur ani a heta hian evangelist HMS Donkima Daidau Muna District PYD in Rongbol tura aroi chin chu speaker a man ani don ani he in Khompui thleng tur hian champhai Bethel Bial te po na satakin anim bwa sai chaumek zela tuna hian pandal chei moi na thokmekin pandal sakhi Bethel Bial chunga kaushan sang te po in an tho puiba ka mikhwal semle hwa hi wai me te kutada ani angin rohman na engkim pe thokhat ani to ani he in Khompui culture palai te chumut bulum takba ka mani mamo ang chi sang te kim taka keng turle in Khompui palai atam the ang ber culturein organizing committee te chuan min ngenin min som ani February ni khat atangani thum chung khan Kangrengdor Pherzol District Manipura Barak District PYD in Khompui hlotling takin man ani in Khompui thupui hi pian tharna dikti ani a District Treasurer Evangelist mangai thangan amanpui ani February ni hi inri ni chommalama rorel in khom nei ani a anthurel langsar zwalte kumsang ni somni Pathum Golden Jubilee mandan turte PYD flag chungchang general atanga PYD flag size in angveka siam turti chu Barak District PYD po in bo zuini se District PYD in projector nei ni se kumsang ni somni conference na muntur Silchar section conference chunga inti siak na loman dong tu te solo competition pakhat na unaw nu the tham Jiribam section panhina unaw nu Valentina Lalchanpui headquarters section Pathumna Lalming Thanga Wangai section Lengkhom Zai Pakhatna Chikhur local Panhina Kangrengdor local Pathumna Molhoi local Bible quiz Pakhatna Wangai section Panhina Jiribam section Zaipol inti siak pakhat na Haflong section panhina headquarters section North Mizoram District Bial Somthumten Arwalin Bial Conference an mangmek Bial Conference Arwala neya hian District Shwai tu tepo in Bial shang man puidan tu relin District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang achuan Zol Nuam Bial man puin District Secretary Reverend Chiarpuyan Sungsui Bial District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangan Chaltlang Bial Ahman Puyang Heibaka hian Department Shwai tu District Missions Director Reverend Sila Thantuang achuan Assam Missions Field Nepal Para Mission Field Conference Manpuyin Speaker Atanganga District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtuangan Tlang Nuam Bial Conference Saikhamakona Manpuyang Bial Conference hi February ni riat zirtop zana tanin February ni som pathiani zana achiak don ani Bial Conference nei chung hian kumin sang ni som poko chunga bial shang te malak dan tu relin February ni kwa inrin nia conference rorel nein inrin ni zan atang zirtop zan thleng revival program man ani ang February ni ruk ni lai ni kha North Mizoram District Sunday School Department Executive Meeting District Office Superintendent Chambara Antukhom District Sunday School Conference in Sunday School Manual nei arotna bozuin Sunday School in Enkol na dan draft to and clear ho Meeting hi District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtuangan Kai Shwain District Puipa Pani Superintendentและ Secretary ten an haubok Hun thar bial sai rang kaushan te chuan inrin nikalta February ni ni khan an kaushan in kumsom nga atlin Golden Jubilee an biak ina anlom Jubilee lomna program hi February ni ni inrin ni choma dar somle achanvia tanin biak in kota in khom masa nein North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangan Golden Jubilee lungphum lel iswamingin ahonga Golden Jubilee darwak anibok biak in chunga program manchun zomin hun tharbial tu Pastor Reverend Sila Mulyanan in khom akai shwaya upa Sila sangluran bipuikal khomte chibaibuk na le lomna thu asoibok Golden Jubilee Souvenir and Boss Sai Chu North Mizoram District Secretary Reverend Chiarpuyan Tlangzarin Sairang Kaushana Twal Upalaw ni Tote Choi Moina Upasi Lasang Lura Kai Shwaina in Nei Ania Inrin ni Chuma a Thushi Rawngbawlna North Mizoram District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangan Ane Chonhu Inkom Evangelist Zeddilan mangayan kai shwain sairang kaushana upalaw ni tote choi moina upasila sanglura kai shwai vekin neile ania heba ka hian bel tu Pastor Silal Mulyana kai shwain sairang lo bel to tu pastor te choi moina nei anibok chonhu inkhom a hian Reverend Laltuanga North Mizoram District Superintendent chuan thushi rawngbawlna aneya upa M lalrin oman lom thu soina aneibok Jubilee lomna hian sairang kaushan lo bel to tu Pastor Reverend Sila Ramthanga, Reverend P. Sila Fila, Reverend R. Pahlira retired, Reverend Sila Mulyana, Bell to Pastor Tetilin, General Missions Treasurer Evangelist P. Sila Raukima Chaltlang po in Ahman Puibok. Jubilee Lom Program Ahian Unaw Nulal Tansangile Moy Ten Zayin Rawngbawlna Annei Bok Ani. Sairang kaushan hi kumsang khazakwa somruk pakwa January ni somni parukhan din ni in kaushan member chanhem tak anom meka tuna hian hun tharbial chunga omin kaushan hauten na satakin masona rabi anrap chaumek ani thojan nikalta February ni thum khan kolasi venglai bial South Chimluanga back in muntur le tirko quarters tur munrem thatak chu North Mizoram District chuan alei South Chimluang kaushan mun ma tur le hian February ni li khan North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga le District Secretary Reverend Chiarpuya tekalin kolasi venglai bial atangin bial tu Pastor B Vanlalrata upala remwana bial secretary le Evangelist Zaure Malhon daute ankal boka Chimluanga Rawngbawlna neimek Evangelist Rawngbawl Zelan lodong songin South Chimluang Field Bull tlang theng thunuam tak chu lei anita ani North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga chuan kaushan tetana mun loram lei phal saktu te chung ko chunga lom thu a soiba ka an chung ko tan mal somna dilin atong trai sakbok ani South Chimluanga kaushan hoten mun loram an leya hian ama the angbera kuthaka biak in sakle tirkau quarters sakro manna nei ngal tur di in ram nei tu te chungin march thla thlenga an ramla lo ho tura an dil na chu an rem ti sakbok Headquarters Bial Missions Department chuan Mission Filter Kaushal member dam lo kan dan tur an rela February ninga zana Headquarters Bial Missions Department Bial Board Rorel chuan kumsang ni sompariat Bial Missions Department Conference Rorel angin Mission Filter changa dam lo boy som ngai hospital admit te chu sumpaya tan pui ni se ti an rel hei baka hian Headquarters Bial Board meeting chuan North Mizoram District Conference Headquarters Bialin Kumin October ni somni panga atangani somni pasaria athentur chungchang khirlokin District Missions Conference to Department Malathleng Lovin Bial Puikuta thlenni seti in Arelbok North Mizoram District chung Kaushal member de chuan missions rawngbawlna na satakin chan an lameka North Mizoram District Missions Conference voisom thum pakwana in Home Missionary chom theina dan rohman na asyam anga Thaswam pani chung thatina cheng zanga pete chu missionary chom anni a kumin January thalai hola changkhal missionary chom na le support zone na district executive rohman na anganeya district hwam chunga bia soma fe chwa to ani a missionary chom tu member zali muto ani District Missions Department Director Reverend Sila Thantuanga chuan Pentecostal Kaushal mipuite missions rawngbawlna konga na sazoka an mason na chuan ra thatak achwa zel an be sei thu asoya chanchin thafam kim thedar na konga na sazoka tanla zel turin Kaushal mipuite acha ani mamit bial rawngbawlna February ni inrin ni zanve khan mamit Headquarters Kaushal loi turin chung ko khat member palite chu mamit bial to pastor Reverend K Vanal dikan lomlu na aneibok February ni thum pathian ni khan mamit bial dam dia missions filta Hindu atangin chung ko khat member pasari omna chu bial to pastor Reverend K Vanal dikan lomlu na nein anjinga mi pathumin suanga idamna baptisma changin naw panga hlan anibok February nili thotan ni khan hun thar bial lungwera chung ko khat member panga omna te chuan pathian thuthlung ro pui tak muin suanga idamna baptisma bial to pastor Reverend Silal Mulyana kuta anchang ani February ni inrin ni khan Headquarters bial chunga nursery venga upa RC lalding loi te chung chuan pathian hne na lom thu soina nein hun hlim om tak an manga bial to pastor wapna hnuaya hlim takin hun an mang ani February ni inrin ni khan mamit high school veng Kaushal loi tual upa vizo thanga te chungin pathian hne na lom thu soina nein rongbol tu atam pastor ke ai no na tlangsang bial to pastor an manga tharau boruak du om tak hnuaya hlim taka in khomin pathian choimoina program man chung hian damna in khom te bot sai ani a rongbol tu rongbol na kaltlangin dam lo na tak tak ten choble chilin damna an chang February ni thum pathian ni khan chol mun Kaushana upa ke lal tuanga te chung kwa po in pathian choimoina mai chambo sai bokin reek bial to pastor P Vanal Phila chu speaker ahman ani a Kaushan haute an hlim hle luang pola crusade nei ani February ni li atangani sari thleng otura bot sai crusade chu mamit luang pol biak ina nei ani a speaker mamit bial to pastor Reverend K Vanal diga man ani luang pol a hian rongbol tu una pa kelerin dika omekin ani malakna atang hian member thar pasari nei ani to bok February ninga thole ni khan North Mizoram District Building Committee rorel angin kanghun pastor quarters sakthat na chu thotan ani thole ni kalta khan kanghun bial Kaushal mipui de chan pastor quarters lui chian hatlang nein member som thumlai an thok chwaka district in quarters sagnatura assumption to sum mangin saktan ngal ani don ani Shatirna Aizol East District Noi Revival Committee chuan kumsang ni sompakwa atan District Revival Speaker tur alale dona deal du chuan heng anhwaya mi te hi shat tur ani ang deal na hi chairman District Revival Committee addressing plain paper a zia tur ani deal na hi ni sompakhat February sang ni sompakwa thleng District Office a thelu tur ani February ni sompani sang ni sompakwa thole ni dar sompakhata District Superintendent Officer interview tour ani speaker and team member pali anei theyang team mingle member list feltekin thelu tour ni a contact number po zia lan tel tour ni ani zugle mama film lo tan dil the ani lo interview tour kalna sen sawma ni intum tour ani deal to chu license nei chin ani tour ani in khom pui somna Aizawl East District PYD chuan February ni sompali atangani sompasari chung hian champhai Bethel Bell Bethel Field chura hmuna inkhawmpui voisomni pangana Silver Jubilee ro puitakin amangdona he inkhawmpuya hian thupuya pathian beiseiro sam number somli panni changa thu mangin thusoi thiam taktak ten hena chingin thusoi ngai thlak ani ang February ni sompanga zirtomnia rorel inkhawm Bethel Community Hall a nein inkhawm lotan wantlang inkhawm pandala nei tur ani ang inkhawm pui nei chung hian February ni somparuk inri ni jingkara champhai khuchung tifain social work nei tur ani bokang he inkhawm pui mang tur hian tlangtin le moltin a PYD thalaite local vectorin kan insom ani inkhawm pui kal tur ten bulbulum takba ka mani mamot kim taka keng turin kan in ngen bok ani Evangelist F. Malsom Tuanga Secretary Aizawl East District PYD Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thla khole theite ani e